Every so often, it's interesting to explore somewhere you normally wouldn't. That's exactly what we did at this location. The River Walk in Vista, California is not renowned for being haunted, but we wanted to investigate a seemingly normal place to see if there are undocumented hauntings. Enjoy watching the investigation and keep an eye out for the paranormal.
That's crazy.
That is. Look at the babies. There's little duckies down here. Okay, we're just gonna do some pinkies now while we're waiting to see how the situation goes. See if we're able to hang out much longer. Okay, let's do some EVPs and see if we can get anything to come up here. Okay, we're gonna do some EVPs to see if we can get any voice responses to questions. Well, I never took the film off of this.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Test it.
Oof, the screen's hard to see. Is anyone here? Is anyone here? What's your name? What's your name? Where are you? Where are you? Do you live here? Do you live here? Can you tell me one thing that you see right now? Can you tell me one thing that you see right now? Okay, let's see what we got. It was so funny. It said, I asked her what's your name, and just ducks quacking like crazy. Do you see that one on camera?
Why is it so hard to see the screen right now? Gosh darn it. Come on now. Why am I having such a hard time seeing it? It just went on and off by itself.
Really? So it's in the camera?
Let's see.
I'm gonna turn. Okay, Spirit Talker's on. Is anyone here with us right now? If anybody is here, feel free to speak into this device in my ear. If you speak into this device, we'll be able to hear your voice. Could you try to talk through this device so that I can see if it's working properly? Where I can see it until I'll know if the sound works or not, and then I'll move it closer if the sound works. Just want to make sure. The flashlights are going crazy lately. Alaric. Name? Is your name Alaric? That's your name. You light up this blue flashlight. That's cool. Thank you. Thank you for speaking through the device. That really helps us. Now I know that it works, so I can put it closer. Let me slide down the hill. Spirit Talker just said you look familiar. Our camera just shut off. We have no idea why that would happen.
And it's warm.
And the camera is pretty warm.
Universe.
Wow, that's a cool answer.
Yeah.
Were you the one that shut our camera off? Were you taking energy from it to talk to us? It's okay if you were. That's honestly pretty cool. I just want to know if that's what happened. I'll check why the camera would have gone off in a minute. Like, I'll check the battery and I'll check the memory. But first I want to know if this is the person that shut it off. If you could tell us if you shut it off, we would be very grateful for that. Or did you not shut it off, but it was more of a result of you taking the energy from it? That's really interesting. I've never seen it do that before. And I've been filming for a long time before.
That's a new battery, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It wasn't the battery because it just turned on. Okay, apparently nobody's gonna answer who turned the camera off. Okay, I'm gonna go check what's going on with the camera now.
What do you mean?
We're getting some responses here. Still not sure what happened with the camera thing, but we've got some responses. First it said badly, and now it said hello. I've missed talking. That's so sweet. Aww. We're glad that we could help you talk. I'm putting the camera on the phone so you can see the conversation we're having. Do you live here, or are you just passing through? I'm gonna put a cat ball right here. I've slid further and further down this hill. I'm not even on the blanket anymore.
I'm feeling tired.
You could take energy from any of our devices, if that would help you.
Did you live in Vista?
Vision.
Vision. Did one of us have a vision of meeting you?
Vision of what? This is a tranquil place.
It is. We love coming here. It's very nice here.
Are you a male spirit?
Light.
Light.
A light spirit? Spirit of light?
A good spirit.
You an angel? Are you a human spirit?
Crime.
Crime. Did you pass away here? Or near here?
Did a crime happen to you?
Crash.
Crash.
Car crash? That's not good.
That's not good at all. Did the other person purposely hit you? Was that the crime?
Are you not ready to go?
Where are you standing? If you could describe it to me, what object are you standing by? And if you're not standing by an object, could you stand by one and tell me which one you're standing by? My phone battery is getting low. Got it. Died a long time ago.
Died a long time ago.
1800s? Or earlier?
Are you stuck here or do you choose to come back?
That was her.
That was her. Maybe his wife went to the light? This was one of the investigations where we leave with more questions than answers. What type of paranormal being were we speaking to that was discussing profound things like the universe and constantly setting off our flashlight and turning off our camera? Where did they come from? Why was that man walking around screaming at everyone? We may never know all the answers, but this is definitely a location I will remember. If you want to see more hauntings, like and subscribe, and as always, remember to never investigate alone as it may be dangerous.